I don't think people understand how AI is revolutionizing music. Let's dive into the future of music, from AI composing entire tracks to algorithms predicting the next big hit. Things are about to get really interesting. So whether you're a musician, a music lover, or just curious about the future of, well, everything, buckle up. All right, let's kick things off with the big one. AI actually creating music. Platforms like OpenAI's MuseNet and AIVA are leading the charge here. You feed them some parameters, think genre, mood, even specific instruments, and boom, they spit out original compositions. Now, before you think robots are coming for Mozart's job, let me be clear, this isn't about replacing human artists. It's about giving them powerful new tools. Imagine having AI generate a bunch of different backing tracks or melodies, giving you a starting point for your own creativity. This tech can break you out of creative ruts, help you explore new genres, and even just speed up the songwriting process. It's like having an AI collaborator, bouncing ideas back and forth. We're still in the early days, but the potential here is huge. Okay, so we've talked about AI writing the music, but what about producing it? Getting that studio quality sound can be expensive and time-consuming, right? Well, AI is here to shake things up again. We're talking about AI-powered tools that can handle everything from mastering your tracks to suggesting the perfect EQ settings. Think of it like having a virtual sound engineer at your fingertips. One of the coolest examples is Landiar. You upload your track and their AI analyzes it, mastering it to sound great on all your favorite platforms. And it's not just mastering. There are AI-powered plugins that can help you mix your tracks, balance instruments, clean up recordings, and so much more. Plus, this kind of technology makes professional quality production accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, AI can help you level up your sound without breaking the bank. All right, let's switch gears and talk about how AI is changing the way we discover and listen to music, specifically personalized music recommendations. Imagine having a DJ who knows your taste in music better than you do and can predict what you want to hear next. Streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music are all using AI algorithms to analyze your listening habits. These platforms are constantly evolving, learning more about your preferences with every track you play. They're looking at what you listen to, when you listen to it, even how long you listen to a song before skipping it. This data is invaluable as it helps the AI understand your unique musical tastes and preferences. All of this data gets crunched by these AI engines and they start to build a profile of your taste. The more you listen, the more accurate and personalized your recommendations become. And the result? You get served up a constant stream of music that's tailored to your specific preferences. It's like having a personal DJ who knows exactly what you want to hear even before you do. This means discovering new artists and genres that you might never have found on your own. It's like having a personal AI DJ who knows exactly what you want to hear even before you do. This AI DJ can adapt to your changing moods and tastes, ensuring that your music experience is always fresh and exciting. For artists, especially emerging ones, this is a game changer. They can reach audiences who are genuinely interested in their music without the need for massive marketing budgets. AI is breaking down the barriers between creators and listeners, connecting them in ways that were never possible before. Fans can discover new music effortlessly, while artists can build a loyal following more easily. This symbiotic relationship is revolutionizing the music industry, making it more dynamic and inclusive than ever. So why not take advantage of this AI revolution? By the way, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, do it. It's free. So, we've talked about AI creating music, producing it, and even recommending it to us, but the journey doesn't end there. The next crucial step is getting that music heard by the right audience. But what about getting that music out there, into the world? How do artists ensure their music reaches the ears of those who will appreciate it the most? That's where AI-powered music marketing comes in. These advanced tools are designed to bridge the gap between artists and their potential fans. Imagine being able to target your music directly to the people most likely to dig it. AI makes this possible by analyzing vast amounts of data to find your ideal listeners. That's what AI-powered marketing tools are starting to do. They sift through social media interactions, streaming habits, and even geographical data to pinpoint where your music will resonate the most. They analyze social media trends, demographics, even things like location and listening habits to identify your ideal audience. This level of precision was unimaginable just a few years ago. This means you can run highly targeted ad campaigns, ensuring your music reaches the right ears. No more wasting resources on broad, ineffective marketing strategies. AI helps you zero in on the fans, who are most likely to become lifelong supporters. By understanding their preferences and behaviors, you can build a loyal fan base. AI-powered chatbots are changing the game when it comes to fan engagement. These chatbots can interact with fans in real time, providing personalized recommendations and updates. AI is taking the guesswork out of music marketing, making it smarter, more efficient, and more effective than ever before. The future of music marketing is here, and it's powered by AI. Knowing how your music is performing, who's listening, and where they're coming from is crucial, and that's where AI-powered music analytics comes in. We're talking about tools that can track everything from streams and downloads to social media engagement and playlist ads. Imagine having a real-time dashboard showing you exactly how your music is resonating with fans around the world. This kind of data is invaluable for artists and labels. It helps you understand what's working, what's not, and where to focus your efforts. AI can actually start to predict future trends based on the data it's collecting. All right, we've talked about AI in the studio, online, but what about on stage? Well, believe it or not, AI is starting to make its mark on live music performances as well. We're talking about AI-powered visuals, interactive stage effects, and even virtual artists that can perform alongside real musicians. Imagine attending a concert where the visuals react in real time to the music, creating a truly immersive and mind-blowing experience. AI can analyze the music being played, the lighting, even the audience's energy, and use that data to generate stunning visuals that enhance the performance. And then there are the virtual artists. This kind of technology opens up a world of possibilities for live performances. Get ready for concerts that are more immersive, more interactive, and more mind-blowing than ever before. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground here, and it's clear that AI is having a profound impact on the music industry. From composing new melodies to mastering tracks, AI is revolutionizing how music is created and produced. But with all this innovation comes a whole new set of challenges and ethical considerations. The rapid advancement of AI technology forces us to rethink traditional norms and values in the music world. One of the biggest questions is around creativity and ownership. When an AI generates a piece of music, who can claim it as their own? Is it the machine, the programmer, or the person who provided the initial input? If an AI creates a hit song, who owns the copyright? This question is not just theoretical, it has real-world implications for artists, producers, and the entire music industry. The developer of the AI, the one who wrote the algorithms and trained the model, the person who input the parameters, the one who guided the AI to create a specific type of music. These are complex legal questions that are still being debated. The legal framework around AI-generated content is still in its infancy, and it will take time to develop comprehensive guidelines. And then there's the question of job displacement. As AI becomes more capable, will it take over roles traditionally held by human musicians, producers, and engineers? Will AI eventually replace human musicians, producers, and engineers? This is a valid concern that many in the industry are grappling with. It's a valid concern. But I believe that AI is more likely to augment human creativity rather than replace it entirely. AI can handle repetitive tasks, allowing human artists to focus on what they do best, being creative. Musicians and producers of the future will need to be adaptable, tech-savvy, and able to collaborate with AI tools effectively. This new skill set will be essential for navigating the evolving landscape of the music industry. It's crucial that we have open and honest conversations about these issues to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. By addressing these challenges head-on, we can harness the power of AI to enhance the music industry while safeguarding the interests of human creators. From creating and producing music to marketing and performing it, AI is transforming every aspect of the industry. The future of music is here, and it's powered by AI. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content.